Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this toner. I got this toner for the Brother printer, and if you want to take a look at that video of the printer, I'll put the link on the comments. And this is the aftermarket toner, and we're going to see how it looks compared to the original. We're going to see how it works, and then final thoughts. One of the good things about this type of toner that it's affordable. So let's unbox it first. Here you have a QR code, just in case you have any questions. And I got this toner from Amazon, and I'll also put a link on the comments. And this is what it looks like. You have the model number there, TN830XL. So this is the better value because it gives you more yield. And this is a package of 2, so let's take this out. And this is what it looks like. It has the chip right here. And it comes protected right here. And here is the original, just in case you want to see what the difference is. So let's try this out on the printer. Here is the model of the printer. And let's open this up. You have to take this out. And I already took the old toner off. So let's put the new one in. So make sure that you don't touch anything under this. Make sure you don't touch this. Or this right here, don't touch it. Once you slide it all the way in, push it down, and it'll click right here. To take it off, all you have to do is push this down and take this out. So now it's locked. You can go ahead and clean this by doing this, and then go ahead and push it all the way in. You can close it, and now it gives you this message, and all you have to do is let the Brother printer know that it is not an original. So you hit yes, and now you can see the life of the toner, and there, and it works. So let me print something out. We're gonna go into print reports, and then it doesn't matter what you want to print. There's a report right there. So as you can see, it does work. You don't have to program it, you don't have to do anything. It works fine. And best of all, it's an affordable type of toner, saving you some money. As you saw, it was easy to install the new toner, and it worked right away. If you have a different printer, perhaps you might want to read this right here. It gives you information about how to deal with different scenarios. Perhaps if it's giving you the wrong toner, you can turn off the printer and turn it back on. And if it gives you that message that it's not original Brother toner, just hit yes, just like we did. It says it right here. Now, as for the yield, it's supposed to give you up to 3,000 pages. But even the original, I don't think it'll give you that much. And it also depends on how much toner you use on each page. Of course, if you're putting a page that's completely busy with graphs or letters, you're going to get less yield out of these toners. And if it's very little, you might get up to 3,000 pages. Just keep that in mind. I do like how easy it was to set it up. didn't give me a hard time. It printed fine. As you saw, it looks good. So far, it worked fine. The best thing that I like about these toners is that they are affordable. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.